Hi guys, this is going to be a video on the Casablanca next generation Alana ceiling fan. I got this for $30 at 24 Fan Company, and wired up and put together. Got right to reach oak blaze. It got a 3-speed change that goes high, medium, low. Unlike my Lady Delta is low, medium, high. So yeah, dark and low. Goes pretty fast for low speed. I mean, I would have expected something slower like this, but it's fine like that. Pretty good at flowing low. Not too bad. Medium. It got a long download on it. Pretty long. Yeah. And I still have my stuff in the Bell series. Well, I put different shades on the Nobel. Yeah, and the shades, I put different shades on both of the bridge tones and stuff like that. Good high. Oh, it was high. Goes pretty fast. Cord. Take a mover. Now let's do spin down. Yeah. Unplug. Done. Yeah. Go to something. So yeah, to this video, thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe.